That's it. 18, 19.
I've got to say, $1,000 worth of groceries in Bali
10 more.
looks like this. It's got nearly half a ton of rice. We've got vegetables. I can't even believe.
30. Sudah? Sudah 30 ya?
Yeah, 30.
Yeah, already?
6 more.
6 more. 6 more.
There should be about 8 bags left over, I think.
Yeah, everyone.
6 more.
1, 2, 3, 3.
Sorry.
Oh, you're right. You got this one, cook it.
Okay.
I can't hurt it. Coba hitung dulu.
Some bucko handout.
Not a 5, but it's still a count.
These ones are eggs. Still more.
Berapa itu, Dek? 12. Oh.
It's okay.
No steering wheel.
Hi, honey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16.
Some more blankets here. More broken bag.
Compared to last November, this is actually quite tame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other ones on the videos were what, triple that size, triple amount. Oh, look out! Three more. That's the other 3. You're right.
Eggs. Oh!
Yeah, you're a bit dangerous. So yeah, that's it. 30 di sini. Masih banyak nanti.
3 nasi.
Tinggal.
Gimana jalannya?
This one again.
Nothing.
Yang bagi yang memerlukan karena duluan datang
Mas,
jadi ada kamu.
there's half dozen bags in the back of the car.
There's
Little
a couple of
chips.
people just getting him some now.
I was going to say, do you want me to give them to the kids?
Bags of.
Chips. Yeah, from the 3 brothers.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Just wait till we get them all up here though.
Yeah.
We've got some lollipops and Fee's got a heap of bits and pieces for him as well.
No worries. Bag.
Oh, red one, yeah.
The one with the chips. Yeah, the red one, yeah. Yeah, this one's, oh, that one's just sunscreen.
Sunscreen, oh. Just this one, yeah.
Yeah. I think that's all in there.
What is this? Popcorn.
And water. No,
Water.
yeah, but it doesn't matter.
And this one? What is it?
This is a chip from
chip?
the Three Brothers Cafe in
Oh,
Ubud.
Three Brothers Cafe Ubud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I went and I bought all the stock,
Oh, let's go.
everything they had. I spent 1 million in there.
Aduh, cabe ya nih. Saya ini loh. Ya, nggak apa-apa.
Must know they're up here. Turn that way or fall. Otherwise, all will fall that way. Ah, doesn't matter. It's good. Feeling all right?
Is this like town hall for the?
Yep. Yeah. This is where they gather. This is the muster place for all the villagers. Yeah.
Yeah, but how far round?
It depends on the grounds. It could be as many as 1,000 places. 1,000 little huts with families.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like easiest way to put it. If you go back to say Australia, you got your councils.
Yeah.
Okay, each one's a council
Yeah.
and looked after by the gentleman over there. Yeah,
Mayor sort of thing.
like a mayor. That's right. Yeah.
Is this the bloke?
Yep.
talking about?
That's the mayor.
Very
Yeah.
important person because
yes.
in reality he has to look after the people, not like our mayors who are in it for their own
And
benefit.
he will go around to all the ones that can't get to here
Yeah.
and make sure they get something.
Yeah. So it's sort of his responsibility.
Yeah, so later on, so I just talking one time.
She says, "Oh, I'm talking one time." That's like typical wife. And I'm just saying, V says that a lot. I'm only talking one time.
And every time I have to repeat myself, I say, "Is there an echo?"
Almost in that red bag over there, and there's probably half a dozen bottles of water in there. They can take that too if you want.
There's that hen's got a big cock.
But mine's bigger.
Oh, yang ke rumah, berarti saya masukin lagi kemari.
Which is the?
Ini pindahin sebagian ke sini, yang beras
Honey,
tunjukin ke sini.
where's the lollipops?
Ellen Job.
Right, Alan.
My job.
You're the official uncle of Sweet Fair.
Sweet fair.
Dari sana aja lah, lebih gampang. Ini dulu pindahin ke sini. Tumpukin
Iya.
satu bagian. Ke belakang nggak apa-apa ya. Nanti yang itu biar beras itu jadinya. Nggak apa-apa ya situ. Majuin depan nggak apa-apa juga. Karena mereka akan alur. Ini pulang gitu. Oh,
Thank you. Thank you.
Lollipop. Ya.
I hope I'm saying the right word. This is Mr. Nengah Budi Ana, ya. That is. From Tengah Nana. Tengah Nana. And today we're gonna sharing about 35 family, the elder. This is Miss Ketut. She is running the staff for the clinic for the elder. So this is data from her. We're gonna starting sharing to this village continually. Thank you for your sharing. Thank you your time coming, your effort from everywhere. And Alan, this is your second trip, yeah?
Yes.
I hope you're gonna continue every time you're coming to
Yes.
us, yeah? Bali Donate, Really and me, thank you so much. That's it. Mr. Masa, thank you for coming. And Ibu, Bapak, selamat pagi, salam kenal. Perkenalkan saya dari Yayasan Bali Donate. Saya Vivi, ini suami saya namanya Murray Wilkinson. Ini teman-teman semua dari yayasan yang bantu desa ini. Terima kasih buat Bapak Kadus yang sudah menginformasikan sama Ibu itu siapa? Yang jualan sate itu. Oh iya, nah itu dah. Yang ngasih tahu informasi sama saya. Nah jadi pada kesempatan ini tolong kanggoin, kita bagi 35 keluarga. Di sini 30, nanti berikutnya ada lagi. Terima kasih udah waktu nunggu dan lain sebagainya ya Ibu Bapak. Saat ini kita bisa bagi selimut, spray, sayuran, sembako, beras sama kalu. Ya, tolong kanggoin ye. Semoga kita juga bisa ketemu berikutnya dan mohon doa. Saya mohon doa banget. Semoga yayasan saya dan semua teman-teman donatur donasi di sini bisa bantu terus masyarakat Bali. Gitu nggih. Mohon doanya ya Bu. Biasanya doa orang tua paling didengar Tuhan. Ya, jadi banyak-banyak yang doain saya ya Bu. Makasih banyak. Oke, kita mulai. Mekanismenya, alurnya kita mulai dari sebelah sana nggih. Jadi nanti ada bagi sayur, bagi ini minta tolong fotonya. Ya. Selebihnya
I'm standing at the back.
I admit I'm short for a purpose.
Pak Made, oke. Sebentar mengejar, sebentar bangun menuju. Tapi lagi sembako, tunggu sebentar. Lagi mau foto 5 menit aja telepon balik ya. Jadi ngomong lah. Kita lagi foto dulu. Ayo. Oke. All guys.
One, two, three, Bali Donate!
Sekali lagi, 1, 2. Gaya lain. 1, 2. Another change.
Astaga.
Oke, terima kasih.
Say, Bali.
Well done, guys.
Bali Donate people, can we just go to this side of these ladies? They want to take a photo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oke.
Selamat. Semoga bahagia. Selamat bahagia.
Oh, Mama.
Iya, kasihan.
Bagus.
Iya. Selamat.
Duduk aja, Ibu duduk aja. Semoga bahagia. Amin Tuhan, terima kasih. Doain ya, doain. Semoga saya lebih besar lagi, supaya buat lebih banyak anak.
Okay, move in, you cute bastards. You bogans. Proud to be Australian, guys. or whatever I call myself these days. Must be using. Hey, where's the camera, honey?
Is he talking?
Cheers, guys.
Oke, matur sama Bapak Ibu semuanya. Iya, jangan bosan sama saya ya kalau kita datang lagi.
And then just take a picture with my new girlfriend.
Yep.
Come on. You, my new girlfriend, you and me together, baby.
Ya, biar selamat bahagia. Biar
Yeah.
sukses ya.
Take some of us home.
Kalau nak gini saya senang gini. Kalau nak gini kakinya senang gini. Senang nari dia. Ya nari.
You like the dance?
You like to dance? Come on. Like this?
Iya. Iya. Kalau saya nak gini kakinya tiap
I hope Martha, we didn't get that.
nari dia senang. Senang dia nari. Sekarang sudah gini nak bisa pensiun.